What are you doing with that seaweed? I'm so... Ah! You did it! Woo! Hello! We are going to take you along today for our trip to the beach. We have some family that is visiting from out of state and where my aunt and uncle live at the beach, and I'm so excited. Hi, we're Dennis and Gloria, and we are the Verhoeven family. Everybody, and yeah, a few of the kids are gonna have some surfing lessons, so that I've never watched before, and they've never done it, and so that's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's going to be freezing. I mean, compared to like what we're used to in regards to beach, because it's supposed to be 105 here at home. Yesterday it was 109, and at the beach today it keeps getting lower. Every time I check the weather it says it's just getting lower. It started at 71 and 70 last night, and now it says the high of 69. And then my cousin just texted me and said, hey, it's been really foggy and cool. And so I'm like, as have my swimsuit on already, and I'm gonna have the kids all in their swimsuits, but with sweatshirts as well. So anyway, it'll be great no matter what, but it will be a little chilly. So it'll still be a great day. And speaking of warm and cold, the garage is like almost 90 degrees, and Brooke and I were packing the van and I'm literally sweating. I have my sweatshirt on and I'm just like, it's just dripping down. And so it'll be really nice to go to the coast and just cool off. It'll be so nice.
She can't see anything.
This is the day.
The Lord has made.
Let us rejoice.
And be glad in it.
All right. Our circumstance sometimes cannot change, but you know what we have control over? Our behavior, our emotions, our reactions. So we need to have our control over all of those, because sometimes our circumstance won't change. We would be able to be like, oh, well, I don't want to do this, but sometimes that's not going to be how it is. Cool. Right there. That's Mr. Cool. Oh, yeah. He's got some good bedhead going on. Is it wonderful? Are we going to go to the water? Yeah, and we're waiting to get stuff for the surfers today.
Abigail, this is Peter. He's your instructor.
Oh, wonderful.
Travis.
Is it
Okay,
wonderful?
I got Bennett, Abigail, Brooke.
You want to go in the water? All right. Let's go feel the water. It's really cold. It's really cold. Is it freezing? Yes. You need to rub in your sunscreen on your upper lip. You've got like a white, like a milk mustache. Whoa! What a find right away! That's so fun! Daphne! I need to rub in your sunscreen. Look at, we're at the beach. yeah, I think he has a red one. Oh, I see Brooke all the way to the left.
And it must be next to Travis.
Oh, he's going right now. He's going. Oh, so close. Woo! So how long does he work with them for?
2 hours.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I missed it.
I remember when the kids, when they were newborns, and we were talking about just laying in the water. You just love it. You're gonna have so much sand in your tushy. Here it goes. Woo! It feels so good. Your hair looks good. It's so cute.
Oh, he was so close. Ah. So, and they're not very big. So, ah, you did it! Woo! That was fun on a just missed it. Again. It does. It goes super quick. Every time. Woo woo! Lunch? Eating your sandwich, nummy
Not with the
num.
sandwich.
Are you all done?
Contaminated it with cucumber.
Ah, contaminated it with cucumber.
It tastes like cucumber, ham, and cheese.
Oh, really? Maybe because it's by the cucumbers. Oh.
It's weird. You want mango? Like mango.
Uncle David and Aunt Leanne got here. It's so gloomy and foggy. Oh, the hat, the hat, the hat, the hat. Nani, you lost your hat. Shake it, shake it. We have towels. Did you want them right now or when you get over there? Ah! Oh! Oh! He was like, watch out. Was he having some trouble?
Yeah, we couldn't get it off our feet. Like they're so tight on the bottom, which is normal.
You're gonna help Abigail?
I
think
it's kind
she-
of fun to watch her struggle. How do my eyes look?
A little black, yeah.
Yeah. Get me more.
Our wagon is a great wagon. We use it for our swim meets all the time, but the wheels are so narrow that you can't pull it in the sand. So we had to abandon it for a few hours, and now they can carry it down here. It's hilarious. See, the sand is harder over here. Oh, Travis. Look at him. Did you have fun?
I made sand balls.
You made sand balls?
Yeah.
I made sand balls. Wow, fun. It's hilarious. Oh, I gotta see this. Look, let me see. Oh, he's coming out. Oh my goodness, it's so cool.
Water in here.
Yeah.
Can you just take one of me and Abigail?
Woo! Woo! So I literally am leaving Daphne in her sleeper. The sun has finally come out. She's gonna take a picture of me. Yeah, the sun, like the fog finally just burned off all the like marine layer, you know, and but it's still windy and cold. And so I'm just leaving her in the sleeper because it's very windy and that's upsetting, huh? The wind. The kids are playing and finding so many sand dollars and sand crabs and hermit crabs, like big hermit crabs, tons of clams. And then my aunt and uncle, my cousin and her husband and kids, they're gonna get pictures. Brooke's gonna take their pictures, so they went home to shower and get all cleaned up so they can take nice pictures. So they left. Look at, see, they're empty chairs to go home and change and come back. It never gets, you just never get too old to do, you know, sand castles and dig a hole. It's always fun, no matter what age, right? Oh, you are resourceful. Look at your resourcefulness with the blowy sand.
The sand doesn't get in there.
Yeah. I'm really excited. The pictures are going to be really pretty. She is worried about the overhead sun. What a beautiful day. It was so gloomy when we first got here. Is that your little space? Is it your little space? Is that cozy? She likes playing with those strings. Yeah? Is it cozy in there? Somebody just loves the waves. Is that so fun? You're really far. I am. I'm watching. Yeah, it's the perfect consistency, right? Are you going sideways now? You silly?
She's gonna come back though.
We're not too far from our little camp is. Wait, no, I lost us. Wait, oh, there we are. There we are. There's the camp. Okay, this is a little snack. Come on, come on! Your legs are so sandy. It kind of shows. Woo! Say hi. Hi. It's like swinging with us. The wind is blowing the swing. Whee! You love the swing? You've got tons of sand in your hair. Woo! Woo. That's hilarious.
It's sadly missing half of it.
Yeah, yikes. That was that worth it? No! You scared him. He didn't even tell me he had it. I told that, and that's what I told everybody. I was like, you should see what he It's so funny. It's not even alive. That was hilarious. I think he's gonna wait till these people walk by. Ready? Okay, I need another one because it didn't quite go over him.
It's coming. It's swaying away. Swaying, flying. You ready? You ready? They're watching me. Okay, it's coming right now, Trev. It's coming, coming, coming. Don't move, don't move. It's right there. Oh! That was so close.
It wasn't even on me.
Come on, bud. Come back. Thank you. Yeah, scare him. Isn't that fun? That's so fun. Daphne. She just loves it little baggins. What are they doing with that seaweed? Oh, so funny. So crazy. Over there a little ways, like over where there's like shallow over there, over there, over there. There's a bunch of jellyfish. Jellies. We picked it up from the fin. Wait. That's a jellyfish. Remember earlier?
You could be dead.
Well, it didn't. No, because on the tops it doesn't. It's the bottom too. Whoa, so different. Yeah, they're short. Don't step on them. Look at all the dead sand crabs everywhere. Grody. Oh man.
Oh wow, they're everywhere.
Yeah. So where are they? I do love your table. It's so resourceful. Just make sure there's seagulls like literally right here scooping it out. He should not have thrown that bread so close. Because they'll jump right into the cooler right there. Stay away. No, no, no. No, 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 no. There's napkins in here too. Do you want a napkin? Over in that bag, the flour bag. And they're here for the pictures. They look so cute. Denim and white. Hold on. Oh, you can't even like, it doesn't even do it justice with all the dead bugs. Look at how pretty with the dead bugs. I am very bored. I told you. Well, we had a great day with family and each other. And surfing. Was that awesome? That was every time fun. You would get up, I would try and make it record and then we would miss it. Done.
Yeah, our instructor was super nice, so that was really good.
Yeah, Trev loved it. Loved it. Just had a blast.
He made a new best friend with that instructor.
Aww.
They were chatting it up. It was fun.
That is cool. Well, did you have a good day? How was photography?
It was good. Yeah. The people around, I mean, there were some people that were like, didn't care and they would just like walk right in front, and there were some people that would just like be like, oh, can we go? But people are really nice. When you can just take a little eraser and erase them from the background. Elijah was laying flat. I don't know if you saw, I was taking Sharon Scott's picture, and he was like just laying like in the background
so
on the sand.
You have to send her one with him though, because they would appreciate that. Just be like, I had to send you one with Elijah in there, because she would love that.
Yeah.
She would love that. It was a great day. Those pictures are going to be beautiful.
I hope so.
can't wait to see him. And look at the sunset. It's just amazing.
So
And
pretty.
Daphne's like beyond exhausted.
So tired. She was like, everybody else is exhausted, so.
And we had great dinner. So ready to be home, go to bed. And tomorrow is 4th of July, Independence Day.
Oh my goodness.
So, and you're gonna work.
I gotta work in the
take
morning.
care of the animals at like what, 6 in the morning.
Yep, 6 in the morning I go over.
You can handle that. You're young. All right. Well, thanks for coming along.